11 common headache can be happen to you. A headache is pain in the head that can appear gradually or suddenly. Pain from headaches can appear on one side of the head, centered at a certain point, or spread to all parts of the head. Headaches can be mild to severe and can last from several hours to days. The characteristics of pain in headaches can be from sharp piercing pain, dull pain, constant pain, to pain accompanied by a throbbing sensation. In this video, we will discuss 11 types of headaches that are commonly experienced. Number 1. Migraine. Migraine is a headache that feels throbbing and usually occurs on one side of the head. Migraines can last for several hours or even several days. The main symptom of migraine is severe headache on one side of the head. The pain felt is generally throbbing pain of moderate to severe intensity, which is increasingly felt when moving, seeing bright lights, or hearing noise. The appearance of migraine can be triggered by an increase in the level of the hormone estrogen, or emotional factors, such as stress or anxiety. Number 2. Tension-type headache. Tension-type headache is the most common type of headache. The characteristic of this headache is recurrent headache, noticeably compressed or narrowed, with mild to moderate intensity on both sides of the head. Such a feeling of being bound sometimes does not just appear on the head, but also on the muscles around the head, such as the neck and shoulder muscles. Number 3. Cluster headaches. Cluster headaches, the kind of headache that can occur recurrently, with a specific cycle or period. These headaches generally come suddenly around the eyes on one side of the head, and causes very severe pain. The hypothalamus is a part of the brain whose one function is keeping body systems running stably. Disorders of the hypothalamus can provoke the appearance of pain and taste sensations in the body. Number 4. Exertional headache. In simple terms, exertional headache occurs due to an increase in blood pressure in the brain due to high activity. This type of headache usually appears when you do sports, such as cycling, running, or lifting weights. Number 5. Hypnic headache. Hypnic headache is headaches that occur at the time of sleep at night, usually occurs at midnight until dawn. The situation usually occurs in people over the age of 50. Compared to men, women are also more prone to experiencing hyponic headaches. Number 6. Medication overuse headache. Medicine overuse headache is chronic headache as a result of excessive use of analgesics, triptans, or another combination of headache medications. The pathophysiology of the medicine overuse headache is not yet clear. It is suspected that there is a role of genetic factors, physiology and regulation of receptors, as well as psychological factors. Number 7. Sinus headache. Sinus headache occur due to sinus infections. Sinus infection causes pressure and pain in the area of the front face, then it develops into a headache. The sinuses themselves are interconnected cavities behind the cheekbones, forehead and nose. Number 8. Caffeine-related headache. In medicine, coffee headaches are known as caffeine headaches. Caffeine is the main ingredient in coffee and is a substance of the psychoactive type. The substance stimulates brain activity so that the person who consumes it can concentrate properly and not get tired quickly. The condition also results in the narrowing of the blood vessels surrounding the brain. Number 9. Head injury. Head injury or head trauma is a problem in the structure of the head as a result of experiencing an impact that has the potential to cause disturbances in brain function. This problem can be minor injuries, bruises on the scalp, swelling, bleeding, skull fractures, or concussions. Number 10. Menstrual headache. Menstrual headache is a headache that often occurs as a result of changes in estrogen hormone levels. This headache's type can also result from oral contraceptives, menopause, and pregnancy. Number 11. Hangover Headache. Hangover headache is a headache that arises as a result of consuming alcoholic beverages excessively. This headache can occur the next day and occur on two sides of the head.